Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again, a professional data entry, web research and lead generation service provider. I have been assisting clients for almost 6 years by using freelance marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr and mostly with personal contracts. Recently I am getting some questions from many people who are seeking guidelines to earn money online. Even some of them has no skills like web development, programming or graphic work. So as a data entry worker and web researcher, I have decided and planned to show the full process to make money online step by step in a series tutorial video. Today in this particular video, I am going to discuss and show a way to earn easily from Fiverr. So as it is a part of the way, let's make it clear about the requirements that you need to be qualified for these tasks. Number one, you need a computer with internet connection. Number two, you have good typing speed, at least 40 accurate words per minute. The more speed you have, the better your opportunities are. Number three, you have basic skills of Microsoft Word and Excel, inputting data, font coloring and sizing, font and file formatting. So if you don't know any of these skills, let me know in the comment section below. I will record more videos to show you the process. And number four, you have patience and have strong work ethic. If you are fine with the requirements, you are warmly welcome to watch the video till the end. I am going to share the tips and tricks in practical way. And if you are serious to be a part of this tutorial series, subscribe now and check the bell icon to receive notification of all upcoming videos of the full tutorial series. Now, without further ado, let's move to the practical action. Let me show you the services I am talking about and some successful people who have been making a decent amount from Fiverr by providing the services. And at some point, I will show you my work history of the same service, discussion with client and how much I made by working only 5 to 7 hours a day in 3 days. Now I am signed in with my Fiverr profile to demonstrate the details. So first of all, here in this search box I am going to type PDF to Word. Word. Okay. So here I'm going to click here on PDF to Word. And as you can see, there are thousands of gigs. People are selling the services we have been talking about. Here the first one is I will convert PDF to Excel. The client had to or has to or had to send this freelancer a PDF file and he will convert it to Excel. And if we open, we will see that he also providing PDF to Word file. As you can see, here is the icon. Okay. So now I am going to sort the search result by best selling. And as you can see here, the first person and the second person, they has a huge amount of income and reviews from Fiverr sellers. So the first person as you can see, he has 2k plus reviews with 4.9 and above ratings. So the 2k plus, that means 2000 plus reviews. I'm going to open his gig, and this person has a 1k plus reviews. I'm going to open her gig. Okay, so on the title, the person described his services he been providing shortly here. Do 2 hours data entry services, PDF to Excel or Word and copy paste work. So he will provide data entry services, PDF to Word or Excel and copy paste work, and he has 1721 reviews, 2 orders running, I mean 2 jobs he have been working on right now from this single gig. and here are his pricings. $5 for 2 hours of data entry work. 8 hours of data entry work, client has to provide him $30. And here 30 hours of work, client need to provide him $125. And anybody, I believe anybody working in data entry field are able to work 30 hours in 3 days very easily. So this is the amount he can work, sorry, he can earn by 3 days. Okay, and here is the overview of his gig. I am very professional and have valuable experience in data entry, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to Word, web research, business card data entry, phone number research work. I will work for company and individual with on-time delivery with 100% quality. So most of the tasks he have been providing is using Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and here you can see the Excel, Word. So if you have skill on Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word, you have enough to start working online and earning a decent amount of money as this person have been making. Okay, and now we are going to the next one here. This person is from Pakistan and this is a girl, and here as you can see her name is Ifat and she is only 21 years old. She is providing PDF to Word, Excel and PowerPoint conversion service, and also Word, Excel, PowerPoint to PDF conversion service. So these are the mostly provided services the data entry freelancers are providing. So here her key skills are my skills, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access. So if you have only those skills on only those two programs, you have enough to start working as a freelancer on Fiverr and earn a decent amount of money by providing PDF to Word or Excel conversion, or maybe from an image to Word or Excel conversion. Okay, so I have showed you two legends here who have been making a decent amount of money from Fiverr, providing only data entry work with two key skills of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, as you can see. Okay, and now I am going to show you my practical experience that I have worked with a client on Fiverr and provided data entry or PDF to Microsoft Word conversion service. I am going to show you the discussion between the client and me and the job offer that I have received. Sorry, here, your inbox. Okay, I'm going to find out the client. Here he is. I'm going to open the conversation or message box, and I'm going to top of the message. Here as you can notice, we worked on 4 different gigs. I'm going to open this link on a new tab. Okay, 4 different gigs. We will be back here after seeing the message and the first gig information. Okay, so here the gig was, this is my gig. The gig was typed 40 pages within 24 hours, and here the person, the client emailed me through the gig, and he wrote me that, hi, I need the attached typing up ASAP. Please advise how long it will take you and how much, both attachments into Word. So as he missed to attach the files, I sent him a message here. I am not seeing the files, can you please reattach those? And he then reattached those files. I'm going to download the files. Already has them in my download box, but I'm still downloading again to show you live. Okay, here's the first file I'm going to open, and here's the second file I'm going to open. and here as you can see it has 6 pages and the pages are in vertical mode. I have to rotate the page to show you properly here. Okay, so the first page has a very few writings and the second page has two different pages if we consider a Microsoft Word page here. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom in the page, and same for the next one, it has also the vertical mode. I'm going to zoom in and here is the writing. Okay, so it has 8 pages, and let's go back to the discussion. So I have just showed you the PDF files that client provided me. Okay, here are the 2 files, and now I'm going back to the conversation here. So I have reviewed the files and then I wrote him the message: hi, some texts are not clear enough in some pages of the documents and I will need 5 to 7 hours to complete both files and will charge $20 for the transcription. And then he replied, I know, but if you zoom in you can make it out, no problem. And also he wrote me, you can have 8 hours but must be in Word and the headings must be larger, etc. So he just mentioned that the formatting should be in a nice way and I can have 8 hours to complete the task. And then I have replied that okay, that would be great, having 8 hours to complete, let's proceed. And then he sent me, please make sure you do a quality job as I have another 2 people interested. And then I replied, I am always careful about quality, please don't worry about that. And then he again replied, can you please ensure the headings, subheadings are a larger size, basically try and make it look like the attached. So he's looking for the formatting as it is shown in the PDF files here and here. So I just ensured him that sure, I got your expectation, I'll do the formatting right. Okay, and then he sent me another email. Perfect, I have told the other interested parties that I have given the job to you, let's proceed. And then he sent me the job order and I sent him an email appreciating that we are working together. So here what it was the email: please send me the order and I'm glad I got the opportunity to working with you. And now I'm taking you to the order page to show you the, or actually I can okay, let's just go from here. Here is the first order. I'm going to open this one, and as you can see here on March 15 he sent me the order. It was the night when I received the order, actually midnight in our country when I received the order, and he sent me the order and sent this message as well. Great, let's check on. And I just sent him like, thanks for the order, Shaz, I will send you the update as soon as possible. And after completing the task I sent the delivery here. Hi, the name of the client, and I have worked this full night as it was night in my country and managed to complete the transcription. Please review the files and let me know your comment. Thanks, Azharul. And here is the attached file. Okay, so I'm going to open the attached file to show you what I have provided as a delivery or final file to the client. I'm going to open. Okay, here the image was changed and here are the formattings: the first heading, the second heading, and the contents. Okay, so now client has a editable format of the files of these both documents. He can make any change if he wants, and he can also add contents or remove contents if he needs. So this was the job, this was the task that I have done for him, and I have received $20 by completing this task. And he was very happy and he gave me this nice feedback: perfect, highly recommended, with a 5-star feedback. I also provided him a 5-star feedback, and as I have mentioned that I have earned $20. and as you can see we have worked together four different projects, as I have done his first project very well. So he offered me another project in on that day on March 16th. The first project was completed on March 16th, and also the second project also March 16th. It was a $15 project, and as I did a great job, he sent me a $5 tip. That was a awesome feeling having a tip from a client. Okay, and here another project on March 17th, $10 worth, and another project. These were the small projects, 1 page or 2 page, and this one also 1 or 2 page, and the budget was $15, a good amount. And I have made $60 by working 3 days with him. And so as you can see how much there we have the possibilities to make money by doing data entry only on Fiverr. So I hope this will be helpful for you if you are willing to start working as a data entry worker. And if you have any question, if you didn't understand anything, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment below, and I will try my best to give you best output or best solution of your inquiry. So I hope to see you in the next video. And to mention I'm going to create new videos about creating great profiles for Fiverr to get sales, and how to set up a gig on Fiverr which boost sales and get more customers to you. So to get those videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me.